Hello guys, my name is Shubham Kirme. So today's video topic is the meaning of Agile software development model. So we will discuss on that. What it mean by Agile software development model? The meaning of Agile that is swift or versatile. The Agile is a process. That model refers to the for software development, and that approach is based on the iterative development. The Agile method breaks the tasks and that task into the smaller iterations, all parts. So that do not directly involve long-term planning. The project and requirements and that are laid down and at the beginning of the development process. So the plans are required and that regarding the number of iterations. So that the duration requires and the scope of the each iteration, and that are clearly defined in advance. So the each iteration is considered as a short time, that is named as the frame like, and in that process model what typically lasts from the 1 to 4 weeks. So the division of that entire project are required that and that are converted into some smaller parts. It helps to minimize that the project risk and to reduce the overall project delivery time. And in order to reduce the requirements of the project related. So each iteration involves a team working through a fully software development life cycle. And in that software development life cycle includes some planning and requirement and analysis, as well as the design and coupling, and it requires too much code we have to write inside that. And after the developing the product, we have to test this, and then it goes for a deployment and maintenance purpose. So before working on a product, the demonstrate to the client. So there are the 6 phases of the Agile software development model. So there are some following are the 6 phases are named as the planning and requirement gathering, and the designing the requirements, as well as the construction of and iteration, testing, and the deployment, and the last one is that the feedback. So we discuss the when to use that the Agile software development model. So when the frequent changes are required, so at that time we use the Agile software development model. And when a highly qualified and experienced team is available, then we use the Agile software development model. And as well as when a customer is ready to have a meeting with the software team, and at all the time, then we use Agile software development model. As well as when the project size is small, then at that time we use. So we discuss about the advantages of the Agile software development model, the Agile method. The frequently delivery, as well as the face-to-face communication with the clients, and as well as the effective design and fulfill the criteria and fulfill the business requirement of the product. And the last one is that the anytime change. If you want the changes, then at that time we use this is the advantage of the Agile software development model, and it helps to require the total development time. So as well as there are having some disadvantages. Due to the storage formal documents, then it creates the confusion and between to taking the crucial decisions, and that are taken throughout the various phases and can be misinterpreted at any time of the different team. So that's all about the related overall information about Agile software development model. Thank you guys.